Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions today after the call, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141, which reads, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers to make one more call every day. Hey, I went over earlier about those 3 calls. That's just the minimum. It's 3+ calls. So based on that, I'm telling you, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers to make one more call every day. Is it going to be 4 calls, 5 calls, whatever it is, just make one more call every day. Attempt to pass those goals that you set yesterday. You will be amazed at your results. You're going to get great results just by getting 3 new contacts every day. Think about what happens when you increase that every day to 4, sometimes to 5. That contact list is just going to build over time. The folks on that contact list will require your service. You're going to have more and more folks asking you to quote their lanes, and in quoting them correctly, you're going to be moving more freight. It's that simple. So one more time, remember when you're calling your prospects and customers to make one more call every single day. You will be amazed at the results that you get from that. Do you have any questions about today's call, or more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys, on that 626-309-9141. Thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. Again, I'll take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week, same time. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.